Good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So, we are going to start our international webinar on how to use generative AI for personal growth. Generative AI can be a powerful tool for personal growth. It can help you identify the areas for improvement, generate new ideas, and provide personalized feedback. For example, you can use AI powered writing assistants to improve your communication skills or AI powered coaching tools to develop your leadership abilities. SEMS Welfare Foundation, a registered non-profit organization, is dedicated to the social impact across various sectors. We focus on education, particularly skill development and entrepreneurship. Through our initiative, Digi Saksham, we have created training programs in IT, finance, retail, and entrepreneurship impacting over 6,000 individuals. We are currently collaborating with the universities and colleges and upskilling inmates in Haryana jails. We have also partnered with banks to place over 1,500 candidates in jobs. So, in just a short time, SEMS has established as a force for positive change, equipping individuals with the skills for employment and promoting women's leadership in various industries. So, for today's international webinar, Digi Samaksh is collaborating with us. Digi Samaksh is a company that empowers the businesses through data and technology. We offer a wide range of services, including IT, software, data science, research, consultancy, etc. And also, we have another collaborator, HKBK Group of Institutions. HKBK Group of Institution was conceived to impart quality education in the society. I am proud to say that this college is unique in imparting value based education to our students and well placed in the organizations in India and abroad. The institution aims to guide the youth towards an enriching creativity and love towards learning. The right attitude, interest in sports, cultural activities, and essential skills. The institution is also playing vital role to nurture each student's individual personalities, talents, and to develop inherent strength. The institution is determined to provide the best possible education experience through research activities and teaching for today's students and graduates of tomorrow who will move the human race towards progression in the years to come. And this achievement is possible mainly through the strong commitment and dedication of the management and faculty who mold the students to face global challenges. The future of the country depends on the outlook and behavior of the students. Graduates emerging from the portals of an educational institution possess at least they should excel only not only in the subject matter but also develop traits and add value to life and become a role model for future generations. So without further ado, let me welcome our speaker of today's session, Abhay Ranjan. Abhay Ranjan is a global digital marketing strategist and AI and ChatGPT expert. He excels in driving digital transformation and empowering the teams through corporate training. With over 500 successful projects and 10,000 plus individual trained, his expertise includes 360-degree digital marketing, corporate training, and motivational session. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our guest of honor, Abhay Ranjan, with a hearty round of applause. This has given immense significance for today's session. Sir, over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for having me on this insightful session. So I hope you guys have gone with the introduction. So I'm into digital marketing domain from last a decade, and I'm into AI from last 2 years, exploring different AI tools and all. So today we are going to have a session on how to use generative AI for personal growth. So what I'm going to cover, I'm going to show some useful tools, AI tools that can help you to create your content in the form of text, image, video, and all. So talking about the generative AI, before proceeding to generative AI, I want to define artificial intelligence first. So there are two kind of intelligence in the market. First is human intelligence. We all are having human intelligence. On the basis of our intellectual thinking, we are going to perform task on daily basis, which we have been assigned. And the another thing which is hitting all over the world is the artificial intelligence. Means you are making a system, a computer, to think like a human. you are making artificial kind of intelligence to the machines. So nowadays it is a very big thing going all around. Everyone is talking about AI. So what we are going to learn in the session, we are going to learn that how to use those generative AI tools for our personal growth. So generally generative AI is AI tool which can help you to create text form of content. And you all are familiar about the very important concept, very important AI tool that is called chat gpt. So chat gpt is a generative AI tool. It's a very popular generative AI tool. But it is 1 to 5% of the AI market. Because chat gpt has introduced in the market in early times. So chat gpt is a word of mouth everywhere. But despite of chat gpt, there are a number of tools which are being utilized by different kind of people in different purposes, like genetic tests, generating images. People are making music from AI. People are generating different version of audio, different version of video from the AI. So there are different kind of utilization of generative AI tool in the market. So we are not going to talk more about the theoretical part. I'm known for the practical training. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start the actual use of generative AI tools with the practical aspect, in the practical aspect. So for this I'm going to share my screen. So now I'm proceeding to the practical use case of generative AI. And I'm going to begin with the most important, most used AI tool, that is called chat gpt. So anyone who is already using this AI tool, just go with the higher version of utilization. And one who is very new to this tool, you just go with the chatgpt.com. Earlier the URL were openai.com, and it's a product of openai. So earlier the URL were openai.com, but now chatgpt.com is the URL. And this is the basic version of chatgpt, which you can have in your skin. But the thing that you are seeing on my screen, you are going to see some different kind of prompt in my dashboard. In general cases, let me get into the general use of chat gpt which people are using. So I'm going with the incognito window. So you can see this is the general use of chat gpt, where you have a simple input dashboard where you need to message chat about your concern. And on the basis of that, it will give you the output. If someone is having his audio on, please make it mute. Okay, so this is the basic use case of generative AI. Means you need to utilize a very good input to get the best output in the form of prompt. And the input which we use to get the information is called prompt. So if I want to get information like write a blog on uses of AI. Let's suppose my concern is to write a blog on uses of AI. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a concern that write a blog on uses of AI. And when I make an enter, this AI tool will generate a complete blog on uses of AI. This you can see. This is the complete. So this is the average usage of people who is utilizing chat gpt. People are using in this form. And one thing I want to make it clear that you can use chatgpt.com without login also. Right now I'm not into its login, but I'm getting result from that. But there is different version of chat gpt. You can when you see the input box, it will say that you need to log in. But after login, it will be available that there are different version of chat gpt available in the market. So what people are doing, people are utilizing chat gpt in this manner. Means they are going with the basic version of chatgpt.com. But we are going to have this in advanced model. So what is the use of advanced model? The prompt which you are utilizing, you can get on advanced basis. Means there are more than 5,000 prompt already available for your different personal growth, for your different personal marketing aspect, for your different research part, for your different all the content aspiration that you are looking for. you can have this in this prompt aspect. So only one thing you need to do for this kind of for having this kind of interface is that you need to install one extension for this. And what is the use of this? I'm going to show this with the practical aspect. You can see, so there are 5,000 plus prompt already been developed by different prompt engineering in this chat gpt model. So what you need to do, you need to install one chrome extension to get all these prompts which are very very useful for your personal growth. I'm showing with 10 to 12 different example that how you can utilize all these things. So to have such interface you need to install one chrome extension, and the chrome extension named as AIPRM. You can note it. AIPRM Chrome extension. You just go with the Google search and add. On the first result you will get the chromewebstore.com, and here you are going to get AIPRM for ChatGPT Chrome Web Store. So what is the uses of extension? Extension basically allows you to go with the action on the same web browser. You need not to go to the website again and again. Means if I want to utilize AIPRM, I need to go with the AIPRM.com. I need to utilize all these things. But when I install the AIPRM web extension, it will come on my Chrome browser. Like this. There are different kind of extension available for different purpose. So right now, what I'm going to get maximum prompt suggestion in my chat gpt. So for this I have, I'm going to install one chrome extension which is called as AIPRM. And after getting the Google search, you just need to click on that, and here my extension is already installed on my Chrome browser, so it is coming remove. When you are utilizing this, it will come as add to Chrome. You need to click on add to Chrome, and after that you need to click on add extension, and then you will get extension like this black icon is AIPRM Chrome extension. This, so you can check further after getting installed. You can go with the extension bar. This is the extension bar. You need to go with that, and after that you need to see that whether your prompt, your Chrome extension is pinned or not. Basically, sometime what happened is you have installed the icon but it is not pinned on your Chrome browser. So for this, what you need to do, you need to make a click on that and need to make it pinned. Blue icon shows that the extension is pinned. You can see extension is pinned here, and the extension is coming in the Chrome browser. This you can see. So the earliest stage of action that you need to do is just go with the AIPRM Chrome extension and click on the add to Chrome, then click on the add extension, and then make it pin by clicking on the extension link. Here you need to, and after that you just need to refresh your chatgpt.com.
23.
Yeah, it's free. It's completely free.
ഇവിടെ അയച്ച 500 വന്നിട്ടില്ല.
No, it's extension is free. The version of chat gpt is paid. There is, you can see there is different kind of version. One is chat gpt, and the another one is chat gpt plus. So chat gpt plus version is definitely a paid version of it, where you are going to get some more kind of extra flexibility of utilization of this AI tool. But on daily task, you can utilize this free version. It is completely free, and when you install AIPRM to, or integrate AIPRM to it, then it will definitely come with the free version. So after getting installed this Chrome version, you need to make a refresh button. You can include, you can utilize by with F5 or make it refresh, and you will see that AIPRM extension will come into the action. AIPRM will get into the. And what you need to do now, when you are having this AIPRM chat gpt prompt, you have done with the maximum thing. Means you have now opportunity to explore more than 5194 prompts, more than 5,000 prompts. And as I have described, prompt is the input which you are going to give to the chat gpt or any AI tool to get the output. People are struggling to use chat gpt in prompt parts. People are not using a good prompt, or highly advanced prompt in their action. That's why they are not getting best result from the chat gpt or any AI tool. But if you are you have the art of dealing with the prompt, then AI will give you the best result in your case. So after getting all these things, what you need to do, you need to utilize all the relevant prompts that is used for your personal requirement. Let's suppose today's topic is how to use generative AI for personal growth. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do my personal branding, and for this I'm going to utilize my blog network, I'm going to utilize my social media platform, where I'm going to include YouTube. Means I'm going to make my personal branding available on every aspect, on every digital platform. So if I'm suppose if I'm very new, if I have not made any piece of content over the internet, I'm going to start, or I'm already doing this, I want some advanced level of research and advanced level of content creation, then I'm going to utilize this chat gpt prompt in the very good. So after installing this prompt, you need to go with the search part, and here you need to utilize the things which you are looking for. Let's suppose I'm going to write a LinkedIn post, then I'm going to click here link, and after searching for your required prompt, you are going to get the desired report. Right now 97 prompts available for my LinkedIn profile optimization or for LinkedIn content creations, and the prompts are different, and these all prompts are being developed by prompt engineer who is into AI from long time, or who is dealing with the AI on some another level. This you need to understand. So here you have a different kind of LinkedIn prompts available. This one is engaging LinkedIn post creation, this one is for proven LinkedIn bio framework, this one is for LinkedIn engagement, this one for all in one SEO post. Means it will create post for your Facebook, for your Twitter, for your Instagram, for your LinkedIn, everything. It will this is a prompt used for all in one social media post. This is for ultra engaging LinkedIn one key click weekly schedule for 10 platforms. These are the platform it has included. Let's see, you are seeing the thing that means your content creation is just one click away. Means you just need to make a just give a short description to this particular prompt, it will create everything for you. So I'm going to give one example. Let's suppose I want to make a weekly content schedule for my 10 platform. So I'm going to click on that. Here what he is asking, already this prompt has been utilized by this chat gpt, and now it is saying that just write the topic, suggest me your topic. So let's suppose any influencer, who is a let's suppose stock market influencer want to create a his want to start his uh, let's suppose social media profiling or social media content creation or social media utilization, then he can go with this kind of thing. So right now I am just giving us simple instruction. I am a stock,
Hello.
hello. So I'm a stock market analysis and used to give stock market tips on daily basis. I have given a basic prompt on that, and click on that. Let's see how it is generating in the form of a. So this is the complete calendar for social media weekly post. You can see the one column is for platform. The another column is the form of content. Means for Monday you can make a educational or informative content. For Wednesday you can make such kind of content. For Friday you can have such kind of a day. So for all the platform, all the 10 platform, it has suggested me everything. Means it has given that you can make a reel on this particular thing, you can make a video on this particular thing, you can do live stream on Friday on daily basis, you can make a infographics on Pinterest like this. So you can he has suggested me table 1, table 2 and something, and it has also suggested me the examples that how you can utilize this for Wednesday, for Friday, for everything it has suggested. You can see table 2 is kind of the example of suggested for how you can make your content like this. So for for this particular prompt which I have chosen to get the weekly calendar, it has made everything in front of me like this. And after this I can also utilize him to make the content on daily basis. If you want to make a content on daily basis, you can ask them, you know create one big content for this. So for Facebook, he has given the post title, the caption, the images instruction. How you can make images. For Instagram, it has given the content, the caption. YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn. For every platform, he has given. You can see that he has just made a tweet for you like this. You can utilize, and it has also given you the hashtag suggestion that you can, while doing tweets on Twitter, you need to go with this hashtag also. So it has given everything. And when you are going to have a chat gpt, you need to understand that gpt stand for generative pre-trained, means you need to train your gpt. Right now this gpt is linked with my account. So the thing which I have utilized there, it is into his database, and he has trained, I have trained my gpt, my own gpt, in very advanced manner. So while going with all these things, I am going to see that after utilizing this chat, my own chat gpt, it has understand my tone, it has understand my behavior, and more often he suggests the output in my own terms, in on my own behavior. So this is the actual users of chat gpt. You need to train your own gpt in the form that it will start understanding your behavior, your pattern. And after some days or some month, you will see that chat gpt will produce content like your own desired output. So this is the thing we need to understand. We cannot get a very good output in one day or in one or two kind of instruction. We need to understand all this thing on detail basis. Like, I am still in the class. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay. So this is the thing that you need to do. So after, let me get into another GPT, another result. Suppose I want to create a blog. I need to go with the blog search. I just click on the blog part, and here for the blog part, I have 393 prompts available. Another Yoast SEO blog post title generator, one click blog post. SEO optimize article, everything, blog writing, everything. If you want to make a 1 month vlog schedule, then you just need to utilize this for your, if your website is on WordPress and you want SEO friendly blog, then Yoast SEO kind of all the suggestion will come from here. Then high quality 100% human oriented content is here. So everything, you just need to select anyone and give the title of your product. Suppose if I want to get the title of the product, let's suppose I want to get a content on users. I just need to give the uses of social media in personal branding, and this particular prompt will create result like this. And this is not a normal result. It will be according to the prompt developed by that prompt engineering. Means it will include the title, it will include the description, it will include the bullet point, it will include everything. It will give you the content in very good manner. And there is a one concern in the market, that will this content is good for SEO or good for Google. Then this is completely okay with the Google. There is nothing harm to use AI content till now, because if you search for the Google like this, does AI content affect the ranking? So you can see that yes, AI content is can rank in Google if it meets Google quality guidelines, and it is been said by the google.com only. So if you go with this web page, it will suggest that AI content, you can see, is AI content is against the guidelines. So it is clearly saying that appropriate use of AI or automation is not against our guidelines. So if you're not doing a spam kind of thing in your blogging, in your social media, in your content creation part, then AI is not going to harm anything. I have made around 5,000 plus web pages using AI, and all those web pages are ranking on the Google. There is no harm till now, because Google has its own AI tool, Gemini.google.com. This one is AI tool which is made by Google. So Google is already having its AI tool. So it is not like it is making AI content banned in Google or anything. AI content is easily been crawled or indexed by Google. It is coming in the ranking if it is done appropriately, in the search result. So this you need to understand. So this is the second generative AI tool. It has also different version, Gemini basic version 1.5, and then there are Gemini 2.0 version, and there is Gemini advanced version. So for basic usage you can utilize its free version, and if you are looking to have detailed version, then you need to go with the plus or subscription part. This you can. The second thing you need to understand is that Gemini has a real time data. The difference between ChatGPT and Gemini is Gemini has a real time data, and ChatGPT is having data which is few months or something old. Means if I want to get updated data, then I suggest you to go with the Gemini. And if you want to get detailed data about the things, then you need to go with the chat. Both are AI model, both are taking data from the internet, both are utilizing on a larger scale. Both produce content according to the so let me ask the recent kind of thing to the Gemini. So it is saying that the personal information is not being trained on this, so it is against its policy. It is not saying that I cannot have this from the election party of parent. There are some concerns, there are some kind of rules and regulations are there on chat GPT kind of thing, but it more often it suggests you the Google search kind of thing you can utilize. And in the Google search also, there is a kind of generative AI introducing in the market. Suppose if I search for this particular thing on Google, so the first result which is regulating on the Google side is the generative AI. So if you have installed generative AI, if you have done subscription to in generative AI in your Chrome browser, then it will come in the top result, like this. And some on the left, some you are going to have some different kind of result with that. So this is the uses of generative AI. So let's get back to the other uses of that AI PRM Chrome extension. Suppose the next thing you need to manage is the Instagram. So you just need to click the Instagram. Here you are going to get the different kind of Instagram post generation, description generation, hashtag, and call to action. Suppose I want to post on my Instagram today, so I will utilize this, and I just need to go with the basic description. Let's suppose DG site provides. I just need to give the basic digital marketing services. Just click. So you can see a very detailed, descriptive, and to the point Instagram caption is been generated by this prompt, and it has described everything. It has include the emojis kind of thing. It has include the hashtag. It has include the call to action. Everything. So if I have a video, if I have an image ready, I just need to make a copy of this and utilize these images and video and just need to post. So today the personal branding or the content creation is a piece of cake. You need to just go with the process that how you need to make, and everything can be planned or can be executed on a very systematic manner. You just need to make a 7 days or 1 month content plan that how you can utilize this, and after that you need to go with the practical case study of all these thing in your approach. Means just if you want to create a video for your Instagram or for your YouTube, you can include different. So let's suppose I want to create a script. I will write script here. I will search for the script. So you can see YouTube script creator. This is YouTube script creator, and there are other thing also, title generator essay. These are the things. So let's get into that. I want to make a script on. I'm going with the example of different kind of thing. How to it's about to type. So you can see there is a different kind of result is coming. Means the host is giving the introduction part is here, and it is everything is coming like that. Then the introduction part, then part two step by step instruction, then there is different kind of thing, final touches, everything. Means 1 minute or 2 minute of all the video content is coming all the way. And you just need to go with this process that every session is given by the chat gpt. Now you just need to hold a tie and do all the process that is been described in this content. And after that it is coming into the result. So most of the cases people are doing all this thing, people are making this chat gpt and every other ai tool in very high note. Suppose I'm going to describe some more tool also. So one tool is, you can write his note po.com. This is also a ai tool which is being widely used everywhere. So it is also used for your personal assistant, for your content creation, everything. And there are more thing available, web searches, different thing are there that you can utilize. It has po.com is basically mixture of all the generative ai tool. Means the thing which you are utilizing, you need to select that, and you need to give the input to this, and it will create output in the form of this. So po.com is a very good ai tool. The next ai tool, I have gone with the text formation. I'm suggesting you one image formation ai tool. So write it name, it's called designer.microsoft.com. It is a product of microsoft, you can see here. So this is a tool for the basic utilization of all this tool. You need to make a sign up process first, and after making a sign up, you need to go with the login part. So let me go with the login kind of thing. So after having a login, you are going to have interface like that. It is a product of microsoft. So it is also same. There is interface called try images and something, and there is an interface called create. So you can go with the create. Here you can have a you can create an image, you can make changes to your image, you can create an icon, you can add an image or remove the background, you can create a wallpaper, you can create avatar. There are banners, background, collage, everything, poster, and facebook posts, instagram posts, you can. And these tool are all already on beta phase, and lots of development are going right now. So when you are utilizing in after, this tool after 2 months or 3 months, you are going to get different result, different kind of more flexibility you are going to get from this tool. So let's suppose I'm going to utilize this ai tool, ai image creation tool, for generating image. Just I need to click on image. So you can see these are the image developed by this particular tool. These are the images, these all are ai images, you can see these all. And the prompt, when you click on this, you will see the prompt suggestion that this is image generated by this. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a fresh image. I want to create a fresh image. So what I will do, create an image of Indian artist making a photo. I've given a basic, and there is a option of size. There is a option of a square, portrait, or wide range. So if you are utilizing Instagram, for Instagram or Facebook page, utilize, go with the square. If you are utilizing for reel format, go with the portrait. If you are utilizing for YouTube format, go with the wide range. So it is coming like this. You can select anything. So let's suppose I'm looking this and going to create on generate part. So let's see. This is the tool used for image generation. So this is generative AI tool for image creation. So what it will do, it will give you the four set of images. Four set of images in our format. You can utilize any of them. So wait for 1 or 2 minutes. So it has given. So this is the result of the format. The image of image all the Indian artists, and I have given that. Please show me the process to make a post, and it has given the 1, 2, 4 images created. The best thing that you can make a customization to this image. Let's suppose I have these images interesting, so I just go with the click on these images, and there is two option. You can download this. You can click on download, image will get download, and the second one is you can make a edit. So editing tools or editing facility is also available in this ai tool, which is the best part. Means you can add your logo, you can add your own creation to that. and editing is also on some advanced level. There is different kind of thing. You can crop to images, you can make a selective edit to particular person, enhance these images by clicking on auto enhance. You can blur the background, remove the background. Earlier these all things has been done by the Photoshop or the editor, but and it takes 1 hour 2 hours to make some changes. But right now, on every click, on first click, you are going to get all. Suppose I want to remove the background, I have click on remove, and it will start working. So the all things are been done in a click, and it is coming in all the way like this. You have option to make the brightness, increase, everything.
Excuse me, sir. It's a
Yes.
kind request to mute the other people because it's creating noise. The host and co-host can mute others.
Where the noise coming? Please, it's a request to all of you. If you are making all, please unmute yourself. Okay. So there is option to add, add text here. So when you are seeing all this thing, you can add text to also, and you can make changes to things. You can have this, and there is also different kind of thing. You can make styling also. You can make it bold, you can change the color, you can do the transparency. So in recent time, you have been gone with some AI images on social media. People are making all those from this particular tool. They are giving a proper prompt in the form of input, and they are getting a result. And after getting the result, they just go with the basic customization. Means they just upload their logo, their text, their call to action, and they publish on social media. So this is you can do by own, and it is very simple process. The thing is, the process you need to understand only once, and the practices make you to make a smart user. When you are making a post on first time, then it will feel a little bit uncomfortable. But when you are producing images 100 time or 200 time, you are going to get the actual use of this, which is very very useful. These all AI tool are game changer kind of thing. I have only 1 hour today, but in future, if I got a chance to give some more time, then I can make your computer a supercomputer, a AI system. Means everything will come into your action. Means if you want to make some post on LinkedIn, you just need to go to the LinkedIn. Automatically AI will suggest you, automatically will AI will correct your post, or it will post you. So everything is coming on a a generative AI part. Every kind of platform is integrating or collaborating with the generative AI. So the process is very very important. You need to understand that how you can utilize all this thing, or how you can make your computer a supercomputer, or how you can make your content creation part strong enough with the help of AI. So this you need to understand, and you need to do practice. So there are n number of option available. You can include your media also. Suppose if you want to upload your media from device, from phone, you can utilize. You can create generated post also. You can utilize some already visual. There are billions of visual available in the market. Suppose I want to utilize a Facebook, I can use. I will click on Facebook. You can see. And users I can utilize from where
ಅದು
it is
लक्षच नाही मी म्हणजे एवढं ऑब्झर्व नाही केलं त्याला.
like. So this is the kind of thing that you can utilize. There is layer also. So if you want to utilize one after one layer, then you can utilize. Everything is there. So just go with the basic customization. After suppose you are going to have an option of download. When you click on the download part, the whole image will get into your dashboard.
चावल बुलाए
Just click on download. You are going to get option PNG, JPG, PDF. So you are going to get the download. The next AI tool which I suggest you is the
हाँ ऐसा
it is for video creation in video AI.
ठीक है तो काय करते तुला बघा आला ना एकदा व्हायरल
This also with one login part
सर मोस्टली इलेक्ट्रिक कार
with Google or
किती
any
वाजता
information.
आवाज देतो
When you are a first time user,
ऑनलाईन ऑनलाईन म्हटलं तर आपल्याकडे रेकॉर्डिंग आहे हे अगदी बरोबर आहे नोटिफिकेशन के लिए वो चाहिए वो सही है
so here you just need to give a
आ जाएगा
topic here, means what you
नहीं वो मोटे साहब ने खुद बोला ना शाम तो
create,
भेजता ही बोले नहीं
create short video,
तो बोलेंगे
make
इनको ज्यादा ही घाई हो गई अभी फोन कर
film, use my film.
दिए
Basic version you can create. So let's suppose I am going to create a short video
चार दिन के भाई वो तारे सबको भेजेंगे ना
of Instagram, TikTok like this,
तारे सबका पूरा ही
and
नहीं नहीं एक कप तारे सबकी जाएगी नहीं अरे वो भेजता बरोबर अरे नहीं मगर मस्त क्या है इसको
and I
कोई
will
तू डायरेक्ट पेज दिसे भाई भाई चार बोर्ड निकल रहे माहिती आहे अरे त्याला हात होता नाही नाही भाई सदा चार बोर्ड निकल अंदर मध्ये
हेलो
इसमें क्या होता है ये पहला ऑनलाइन है ना ऑनलाइन पहला जो है 45 मिनट में घर पे
हेलो
hello,
घर पे जाते
अभय सर,
yes.
सॉरी टू डिस्टर्ब यू सर, ये कोई बीच में
I am not getting who is doing all this thing because I'm unable to see all the. So it has gone with the basic analysis part. Then it has generated the title and it is preparing the video. So the basic kind of internal activity has been performed by this particular AI tool. And after going with all the internal activity analysis and will bring the video in. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes for this. Please unmute yourself who is into the meeting and making noise. So it is taking time. I'm showing you the video which I have done earlier. So this is the video which is made by AI. So as you can see, it has it has done all the internal analysis and it has made a video. So for what they have done, they have made a script. They have choose the background. They have taken the script also, and after all this thing they have produced the video. So AI background or AI stock photos has been utilized in this particular thing. And similarly, when you have gone with the basic understanding of this, you can create your own video, own graphics, and there are different kind of thing. Not only this, you have option to create different kind of let's suppose I have created one motivational video also in the form in Hindi also. So let's see how it has created.
सर, अभय सर, सॉरी टू डिस्टर्ब यू सर.
Mhm.
Sir, can you please repeat the steps to create this video in this in-video
Huh.
link? I just missed a few steps because it was not audible due to noise, sir.
Okay. So you just
Thank
go with the invideo.io. This is the website name, invideo.io. You just need to go to the this domain. If you are a first time user, you need to go with the sign up process. You need to create an account on this. So for this, you just need to have a Gmail or any other email. Go with the sign up process. After making sign up process into that, you are going to, when you have done with the sign up, when you have done with the login part, you will see that your icon will coming like that, and here you will have option of create an AI video. So you just need to go with the create an AI video. In AI, in this particular AI video creation tool, there is different version available. One version is V 3.0, another one is V 2.0, and the first one is V 1. So in back in when I talk about 6 months back, we are using 1. In 2 or 3 months back, we are using 2. Now the most advanced, because I have described earlier also, every generative AI tool is in beta phase. Every generative AI tool is developing. Lots of things are coming on daily basis. So I suggest you to go with the most advanced version, most latest version of this. So I have selected the version of this V 3.0. Here I need to give the basic instruction, means what I want to create. So let's suppose I want to create a video on stock market tips. So I have just given instruction stock market tips for beginners, and it will start generating video. So what he will do, he will make a script, complete video script. He will take the photos or video for the background part, and those photo and video will be stock photos and video. Means AI will keep this in mind that he will not utilize any copyrighted images or video. He will utilize the video which is stock free. Means no one is going to claim for those images or video which is been utilized by them. So there are different website. You can go with the pixel.com. This is a website which you can utilize for your free stock photos or royalty free images and video. So let's suppose if you want to get photos of a stock market, you just need to create a stock. You just need to go with the stock market kind of. So these are the images which is and there is image and video, both kind of thing is here, so you can see these are the images. So these are the free stock images. Means if you are utilizing these images for your personal use, no one is going to claim. So all the AI tool generally utilize these free stock image. So after going with these free stock images, it has asked that what is the duration for you are going to utilize for 1 minute video beginner. You are going to get for Instagram reel, YouTube short. So I'm making some changes. I want to utilize generative media, realistic for Instagram, and I'm going to. So in just 40 seconds, so I think in 60 seconds it is going to produce the image. So basic customization is there. You are going to get some input tab where you need to fill your requirement, and after selecting all your requirement, you are going to get, and you can see it is finding voices, it is finding music, it is finding a script, everything it is done by AI, and it is making video. But on basic version, you are going to get things in very basic version. In video segment, you need to go with the paid version, because most of the tool are AI video tool are paid, and you need to invest for getting good kind of result. This is the thing you need to understand. For images, for text, you can utilize free version, it is good. No need to go with the paid version. But for the video part, you need to go with the paid version of all this, because in most of the cases they will generate the video, but they will utilize their watermark. So for watermark remover, you need to go with the paid version of that. So these are the thing which you need to understand while utilizing all these things. But you have heard about the news that for every piece of content creation or image creation, lots of electricity, lots of resources are being utilized by these AI companies. So definitely they are not giving you those asset in freebie. They will definitely going to charge a premium kind of subscription for this. So definitely there are things which you need to utilize for video creation. Generally, and I suggest you to go with the paid version. You can utilize everything in paid version. People are doing all this thing in paid version. So go with that. So it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to generate all these things. So it is taking time. So there are different kind of AI images tool, AI video creation tool, AI text creation tool. I have a list of more than 50 plus such tools. So when I used to go with the session on a whole day of kind of workshop, I used to give training on all those AI tool, which is very useful. And these all AI tool are super productive, for your personal growth, for your personal branding, for your content creation. You just need to utilize the process, that how you need to utilize all these things. So it is taking time, I guess, and after 2 or 3 minutes it will produce the result. So similarly, that the result which I have shown in the previous, it will present like that. Everything will be done by AI, and your whole video will come into the action. So this is kind of basic introduction of the AI kind of generative AI kind of tools, practical aspect. So I hope you have learned something interesting today, and if you have any question, then you can ask me.
I'm GT Garg. I want to ask one question.
Hmm.
Hello, I want to
Yes,
ask
yes.
one question. I have seen many videos YouTube that is representing our Prime Minister also in various dancing mood and vulgar videos. There is no restriction on such AI tool which
No,
is
there
generating
is
vulgar videos.
there is restriction already, but there is bad uses of AI also. I have seen all those video, and I must admit that there are two kind of people. One who is utilizing AI for their productive, for their growth, but other there are few people who is utilizing AI for defamation, some bad kind of content. So this is strictly need to be stopped. I suggest, and all the AI tool which is like ChatGPT and very big company who is working on AI is just working on their terms and policy and everything. But few AI tool which is coming in the market is not so optimized. That's why they are producing such kind of thing. So it should be banned, and it is bad for the society. I understand this. Uh, it should not come,
Okay,
but in India there is a case of such thing happen.
okay, okay. Thank you, thank you.
I think I have given some value addition to your knowledge, to your upskilling, and these AI tool are very very useful. Start utilizing from today, and if you find any issue, then you can reach me through the this NGO, or you can reach me directly also. I love to assist you in your in your personal branding, in your personal growth with the help of AI tools utilization. So I hope I have given a some I have given a insightful session to you all.
Yes, sir. On behalf of our organizing committee, I would like to sincerely thank Abhay sir for speaking today. We had the chance to hear a fascinating and thought-provoking session on how to use generative AI for personal growth. And he said more things like AI PRM extension and also how to create images using Microsoft Designer and AI video creations. So these are will be very helpful for the students and a lot of other people who's using AI.